Anya kwa Asante mantemu okopie mu Asante mantemu a abetodwa se school feeding program panyimpa wona na da no nei womanfo de womon setene so ehyin bia womohwe ni musa nkom de bedi dwuma akwakodi na kache ba nsen ine kodi na kache nsem wenyina kopie mu womemu emrahye bedwafie
Mrashabedwe ni ogina hode mo manfo wo enyaso otuem Dr. Dixon Adom akukisi ena obisa ahyeya omo ehwe nipa bobrem mafra na afipa setena mu bambo ho nsem so wabra obehia Mrashabedwe Public Accounts Committee ese Asante mantemu bano dani edema Ghana National School Feeding Program adwumaku no wode aban ehyen a wode dwuma wahye no ase apebe bia fa besi ne onhu na chiri kwan na nkampese waje ehyen no ede afreni nsem enu nti wonkyerem na Ghana afo nyina hu sa anyambia no wo mo aboposifo amane ne kwan ben so no wo fa so aje saa ehyen no de afri nipa ne nsama aban enya kwan de adine dwuma eno na so afo abedi akira a wono enehwe asoye no so Francisca Otin Mensa ekire se asem no mum de omo aba posifo amane na feya na aba mopono so a womu enya ho popo ye nti wasra bedwakuo ne se woma wona wotwe no mfa nhwe kwan ya obefa so a ode beje hyen no asan ede ababio.
Thank you, Chairman. This has to do with a very serious issue. And it's a missing vehicle with no police report, no insurance documentation, no paperwork. The vehicle just decided to disappear. The story surrounding the missing vehicle involves the Asante Regional Coordinator, registration number of the vehicle GN 217316, and it's a Ford Ranger, which was used for work related to school feeding. What we need to know today is, one, has there been an established police report? And if not so, the recommendation was that the vehicle should be replaced by the Asante Regional Coordinator.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, this particular vehicle that is missing, there is a police report. Yes, there is a police report and an insurance as well. But then, Mr. Chairman, it only came to our notice not long ago. And so we are pleading that you give us about 1 week to establish the facts and then get back to the committee. Because we are still putting together because of movement of staff, and so it's difficult getting access to some information. So we are pleading if you could give us about 1 week to establish all the facts and then get back to the committee.